What if you combined the rook and the bishop into one piece? You'd get the most powerful piece in chess, the queen. She can move in any straight line, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, as far as she wants. Let's see what makes her so dangerous. Here is the queen, sitting on d4 right in the center of the board. She combines the power of the rook and the bishop into one piece. That means she can move along files, along ranks, and along diagonals. Watch. She can slide all the way up the d-file, all the way across the fourth rank, or along either diagonal. From the center, the queen can reach 27 squares in a single move. That's more than any other piece. Now here's something every beginner must understand. The queen is the most powerful piece on the board, but she is not the most important piece. That title belongs to the king. If you lose your king, the game is over. If you lose your queen, you can still play, but it's almost always a losing position. So protect your queen carefully. Don't bring her out too early where she can be chased around and attacked. Even the queen has her limits. First, she cannot jump over other pieces. If a piece is in her path, she must stop before it, or capture it if it's an enemy. The same blocking rules we learned for the rook and bishop apply to the queen. Second, she cannot move in an L shape like the knight. That unique jump belongs to the knight alone. So despite her power, the queen has blind spots that a humble knight can exploit. Let's bring it all together. The queen is the most powerful piece in chess. She combines the rook and the bishop, moving in any straight line, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. From the center, she controls 27 squares. But she cannot jump over pieces, and she cannot move like a knight. She's powerful, but she's not the most important. That's the king. Respect the queen, protect her, and she'll dominate the board for you. Let's recap. The queen combines the power of the rook and the bishop. She moves horizontally, vertically, and diagonally, as far as the path is clear. From the center, she can reach 27 squares. But she cannot jump over pieces, and she cannot move like a knight. She is the most powerful piece, but not the most important. That title belongs to the king. In the next lesson, the knight, the trickiest piece with its unique L-shaped jump. Practice your queen moves on chess99.com.